Hello, my name is Paul McClean and I'm an architect based here in Southern California, and I'm very excited to show you this house in West Hollywood on this beautiful sunny day. Believe it or not, I've been working in Southern California for 30 years now, and this was my very first home in LA. We've been lucky enough to continue to work with the different owners as it's evolved over the last 20 years. And one of my favorite moments right here is these stepping stones behind me. There's a famous picture on the internet of the DJ Avicii, who is one of the owners of the home, crossing these steps. Let's go see the house itself. If you're familiar with our work, you're going to see there often are a lot of bridges and water features. But one of the unique things about this particular house is that the pool runs down the middle, which basically breaks the house into two parts. So on this side, we have the living spaces, and on the other side, we have the sleeping spaces. This is a really unusual lot. It's on top of a mountain and it curves in the back. And all of those challenges made for a unique design and really inspired our creativity. And on this clear day, you can spot things 50 miles away. So for me, designing this home, what was most important was to make as much use of that view from as many spaces as possible. And for Avicii, this was the perfect place to put his piano, where he would sit every day and compose those amazing tunes of his. And now let's go check out the living area. This is probably one of my favorite spaces in the house, the living room. The concept for this part of the house was an open floor plan, and if you look here, you can see the kitchen and dining room area, and there's a little cozy room beyond that that the current owner uses as a media room. But the whole concept was that the spaces wouldn't be overwhelming, that they would float and be light, but also feel intimate at the same time. And of course, one of the biggest changes we made to the house was this deck out here. If you look over here, you can see downtown Los Angeles, and hard to imagine it's actually December when we're here right now, but hey, that's the whole thing about California. We're now in the primary suite, but before we go there, I want to talk about this view. I like it so much, in fact, that this view that you see here is what I have on my office wall behind my desk, so I can look at it every day. It's an endless source of inspiration. Working with Avicii on the redesign of the house, it was really important to him that we get some coziness in the bedroom and that we get some texture. Still working with those darker tones, we added this bed wall that you can see behind, and also fabric so that we could close the room off at nighttime and make it feel much more comfortable. And we continued with that black and white theme into the bathroom and closet, keeping everything simple because the view is the main star of the show here. One of the best things about this pool is how it's captured between the two parts of the house. And it's really interesting how you start off deep within the middle of the home, and as you move through the pool, everything becomes more open and expansive. We have this great outdoor space here, which is where the people who live here tend to hang out during the day. And right behind here, what used to be a bedroom became Avicii's sound studio. At this level, we also have a game room and a media room. So parties can happen here, people can spend the weekend, they can just relax and enjoy each other's company. That wraps up the tour for today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I so appreciate it. Looking forward to seeing you at the next one.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.